Do you want to receive immediate marriage proposals? Then you should recite this Quranic dua to get married soon, to marry the person you love. This is a very useful and beautiful dua for those who are facing such problems in their marriage. Along with this dua for immediate marriage, we are also going to share some of the Islamic tips for a quick and good marriage proposal. So consider reading this post in its entirety, because it is a well known fact that half knowledge is useless. Dua for getting married soon. Some people are lucky enough to marry their loved one, but there are also some boys and girls who did not get married on time. Due to this, not only they but also their parents get tensed. Also read Dua for love to get back. However, everyone must understand that Allah SWT never wants anything bad for us. If He is making you wait, then there must be some hidden benefit for you. At the same time, we have dua to get married soon, which helps to solve the marriage problem in 3 to 5 days. Yes, it's true. It may seem impossible to you, but for Allah Ta'ala, everything is possible. Recite dua for getting married soon 1100 times after namaz prayer. This is a very powerful dua that will eliminate the hassle of your marriage process. Despite that, you should follow the dua process to marry a specific person for the most effective results. Important note: do this dua for marriage only for a good purpose. Never keep the haram intentions in your mind and soul while praying. Steps to perform this dua to get married soon is here. Do a fresh ablution. Do Bismillah 19 times, then read Durud Fath 79 times. You can now recite dua for immediate marriage 1100 times. Reread Durud Fath and do Bismillah. Finally, pray to Allah that she gets married soon. Parents can also read this Islamic dua for their children's marriage. And if you are not sure about any step, then it is better to ask for help from our specialist in love marriages, Maulana Ji. You can get a solution on WhatsApp only, which is also free of cost. Maulana Fakir Ali will guide you in receiving help from Allah SWT. He has solved numerous cases of marital problems by dua and wazifa for marriage fast. He will help you too. Dua for immediate or fast marriage. Ulama says that whoever read this dua for immediate marriage in Islam regularly after the Salah prayer will start to receive good marriage proposals. Along with this, we will share some Islamic tips here to get married soon by dua. The first tip is to add the habit of reading Surah Yasin once a day. It has so many benefits and it will help you to marry the person you love. It is well known as the heart of the Quran, and you must read it by heart to get a loving life partner. To get the most benefit of dua for a fast marriage, you can recite the prayer in a sacred place near your home or office. Beside this, men should start going to the mosque to help and serve. Follow these Islamic methods. By the grace of Allah, you will get a good proposal soon. Conclusion: always remember that Allah loves us extremely. He wants us to be successful and happy in our marriage life. So never be stressed about the delay in marriage. Just do your homework, reading dua to get married soon, and leave everything upon Allah SWT. All problems will solve in the blink of an eye. Also, you can talk about it with Islamic scholars on WhatsApp, and don't forget to share this post with those in need. Thank you. Comment on your queries below.